Believe it or not, this part on my desk is one of the most produced parts we do here at Anchor Sheet Metal Solutions. So what is it? Well, we call it a donut, and we use this for verifying that everything we've cut on our lasers and our water jets is dimensionally accurate. So how does it work? All right, so we measure the inside of this part, and we can measure the thickness of it, and we measure the outside of it. And those three simple dimensions, 4 if it's a water jet, because we also measure the taper. But those 3 dimensions help us to verify that everything we've cut on this laser is dimensionally accurate. Now there's some caveats. Obviously we need good nesting, and we need to make sure that the DXFs we're using are accurate. But these machines are highly accurate. They can position themselves, some of them within a micron. The inaccuracy comes from the thickness of the laser beam and the thickness of the water jet. So once you get your offset correct for the outside of your part, the offset correct for the inside of your part, and that donut's measuring accurately, technically everything you've cut on that sheet should be dimensionally accurate. Now, this is not to say we don't check the parts, we do. We have a quality department, but this is just what the laser team would do. So why do we do it? Well, if we can cut the parts accurately and deburr them accurately, fold them accurately, it makes processes like this one here, robot welding, and even assembly like this, fit together a lot better. So you're getting those parts into the jig, you're minimizing your gap, and it makes everything just fit together a lot easier and improves the whole assembly process. So yeah, that's it. A little insight into one of the most produced parts we do here in Anchor Sheet Metal Solutions.